One issue I've run into with the Galaxy S26 is when it simply refuses to connect to a Wi-Fi network, even though the network name and password are definitely correct. It can be confusing because everything looks right, yet the connection never goes through. A good place to start is by refreshing the phone's Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes the Wi-Fi service gets stuck in the background, and simply turning it off and back on is enough to get things working again. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, tap the Wi-Fi tile to turn it off, then wait about 10 seconds before tapping it again to turn it back on. If your Galaxy S26 has connected to that network before, it should reconnect automatically after a few moments. If it doesn't, don't worry. Let's reconnect to the network manually. Press and hold the Wi-Fi tile to open the Wi-Fi settings screen. Once you're there, look for the network you're trying to connect to, then tap on it. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully and double-check that every character is correct before tapping Connect. For many users, refreshing the Wi-Fi connection or reconnecting manually is all it takes to solve the problem. If your Galaxy S26 still won't connect, let's move on to the next fix. Go ahead and restart your phone. This clears temporary software glitches that may be preventing the Wi-Fi service from working properly. To restart it, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the power icon, then tap Restart. Once the phone finishes rebooting, try connecting to the same Wi-Fi network again. If it's still not connecting, the issue may not be with your phone at all. Now it's a good idea to restart your router. Simply unplug it from the power outlet. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to finish starting up before reconnecting your Galaxy S26. This refreshes your home network and often fixes temporary communication issues between the router and your phone. If you've made it this far and the problem is still there, let's try one of the most effective fixes for network-related issues. Reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, then tap General Management. From there, tap Reset, then select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Read the information on the screen, then confirm the reset. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks and paired Bluetooth devices, so you'll need to connect to them again afterward. The upside is that it clears out corrupted network settings that can be difficult to track down, and in many cases, this is the step that finally gets Wi-Fi working again. And that's pretty much it. Work through these solutions in order, since they start with the quickest fixes and move into the deeper ones only if they're needed. Hopefully, one of them got your Galaxy S26 connected to Wi-Fi again. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more Galaxy S26 troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching.